Welcome to my YouTube channel, Sun City Movement. My name is Rick, and today I'll be teaching you guys a vertical wall run. Step 1. The run up. Start at a medium distance from the wall. Run at a moderate speed. Too fast and you'll slip off the wall. Too slow and you won't run up the wall at all. When placing your foot on the wall, you always want to make sure that you only place the ball of your foot on the wall. Notice that right before I place my foot on the wall, I take a small jump, that way I can gain height. Once you're in the air, you want to pay special attention to how high you place your foot. Your foot should land right about hip height. This is done only after you've already jumped. Do not press down on the wall. This will only make your foot slide down. Instead, act as if you were kicking the wall with only the ball of your foot. When you're ready to land, also land on the ball of your foot. It is important to keep your chest up throughout the whole move, as this will gain you more height. For a second or third step, repeat the same process. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. See you next time, guys.